Now it's time for some very special awards. Let's hear from the sponsor that made this award possible.
It's wonderful to be a part of this celebration tonight, a time when we can join together to salute you. Quite simply, the best athletes in Stark County. We know that you have learned many invaluable life lessons on the playing field. Dedication, resilience, teamwork. We enhance those essential life skills at Kent State University at Stark, where futures are won. Tonight, we are here to honor a student who understands that sports are so much more than a game. This hometown flash has done what it takes to excel on and off the court.
Over the course of her 4 years at Marlington High School, Leah Springer didn't leave herself much downtime. Whether it was sports, academics, school clubs, or community service, Leah was active and involved, always helping out in her hometown. A 4-year starter in girls basketball, she helped the Dukes go 17-6 this past season. She earned 9 varsity letters between basketball, volleyball, and softball. She was selected team captain in each sport. At school, Leah was the senior class vice president and a member of Teens Against Cancer, Character Counts, and Interact Club all 4 years. She was also a 3-year member of the French Honor Society and a 2-year member of the National Honor Society. In the community, Leah works in her church nursery at First Friends Church, served as a Salvation Army bell ringer for the past 6 years, and has volunteered the last 5 summers for the Alliance City Backpack Giveaway, the ice cream socials at local nursing homes during Carnation Days, and at the craft tent during Carnation Days in the park. Leah managed all of this while working the past 3 summers at Molesky's Greenhouses.
Congratulations to this year's Hometown Flash Award winner and to all of our student athletes.